Hello, my early birds. How are you today? I hope you're all doing great. Today I was going to show you, we're going to make a book for ourselves. So you just need a few pieces of paper, and then you fold them half, just like this. And for the cover, you can use, like I did, use different color, or you can just color it yourself or draw something on it and write your name of your book. So mine is about poems by Miss Marcy. And also the first page I put poems to read, illustrated by Miss Marcy. So the first poem is about just watch. Watch how high I'm jumping, watch how far I hop, watch how long I'm skipping, watch how fast I stop. The next page, I drew myself, I'm jumping. And what's the next one? It's about the birthday cow. So I drew a picture of a cake with the candles, and I had stickers of a cow. The birthday cow, it said, Happy Moo Day to you, Happy Moo Day to you, Happy Moody dear you dee, Happy Moody to you. Isn't it funny? And this one is about the house cat. I drew the cat. And let's see. This one is about the rain. Rain on the green grass and rain on the tree and rain on the housetop, but not up in me. So I drew some clouds in the rain and little trees in my house, and I am inside. This is about the sleeping outdoor, and I just cut out some material like a blanket, and I glue on it. And this one about the lizard, and then dinosaur one is said, unfortunately. Dinosaur lived so long ago, they never had a chance to know how many kids would love to get a dinosaur to be their pet. So I drew myself. These are my dinosaur pet. And then I used a sticker for dinosaur. And this poem is about the snail. A snail up on the wall, have you got at all anything to tell about your shell? Only this, child, when the wind is wild, or when the sun is hot, it's all I've got. So about this poem, I drew snail and the wall, and then of course the sun that goes with it. And this one is about the firefly, and this one is about treehouse. A treehouse is secret you and me house, a high up in the leafy branches, cozy as can be house, a street house, a neat house, be sure and wipe your feet house, is not my kind of house at all. Let's go live in a tree house. So I drew the picture of a tree, and then I had some steps to get on top of the tree, and this is my tree house. And there's another friend who wants to come and join me. And I like this one, you said, my favorite word. There is one word, my favorite, the very, very best, It isn't no or maybe, it is yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, you may, and yes, of course, and yes, please help yourself. And when I want a piece of a cake, why, yes, it's on the shelf. Some candy, oh yes. A cookie, yes. A movie, yes, we'll go. I love it when they say my word. Yes, 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 not no. So it's about the cookie and what you like and candy. So I put some stickers of candies. Or you can draw the cookies. And this is it. And then the end. So you can make your own book. And you can just, anything you like, entitle My Friends or my art book, and you can draw the pictures. You can draw your friends and write their name. Or even if your mom and dad have an old magazine, they don't want it anymore, you can just go through it and start, cut some pictures, some arts, and then glue it on your book and name your book anything you like. And that would be fun. Something you created by yourself. So I hope you enjoy this video, and you guys have a wonderful and beautiful day. I miss you guys. I hope I see you next time. Bye-bye.